Yo, what is good, savages? Welcome to Fibonacci with the gold section. All right, cool. One thing about Fibonacci in the gold section is, well, this month has been consolidating like crazy ass shit. You know what I mean? And let me take this Apple Watch off. My bad, guys. So, all right, cool. As you can see, hella fucking consolidation. Nasty, nasty. So let's go to the 1 hour real quick. As you guys can see, we have literally fucking shit. Literally almost 8 days of consolidation within the same time frame right there. So I mean, when it comes to gold, man, honestly, you got to use our little support and resistance zones that we've been highlighting, and basically, drawing, in our confluence. You know what I'm saying? So I don't recommend anybody trading gold yet. I would maybe just stick to other pairs. But everybody's been asking for gold, so here we're at. This is where we at. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so let's look at this. Let's kind of go back a little bit because you really can't trade this consolidation. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of ridiculous. Like this right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Perfect. Let's check this zone out right here. Let's highlight this. And then let's go look at it on our 15-minute. Perfect. At the start. So what do we have here? We have market structure being broken to the upside right here. So we could have ran a Fibonacci long here, but look at that. We would have been fucking mopped. We would have been destroyed right here. Literally. So let's go to the 1 hour. Freaking mopped. If we look on the 1 hour, look at the bigger picture. This push right here started right there, creating new higher highs. Let's remove this. So if we would have ran our Fibonacci from here to here, look at that. Let's highlight our zone. Now I'm about to tell you guys something real smart but real stupid. When you run a Fibonacci on a 1 hour or a 4 hour, you always want to use a 10-point stop maximum, which is literally 100 fucking pips. It's ridiculous. Yes, I know. So let's look at that. We could have ran our Fibonacci from here. Oops. From right here. Bear with me. Could have ran our Fibonacci from here. Second, this thing touched. Look at that. We were in a 37 pip drawdown until we skyrocketed to take profit 1 for about 42 pips. Grand total of 55 pips before we came right back down. Let's clean that up. We always got to look at the bigger picture. Now let's go to the 30-minute. On the 30-minute. That candle where we entered on the 30-minute created new lower lows. This is where it gets kind of confusing. So since we are creating new lower lows, and look at this, we have this zone right here being respected and rejected. So we could have ran our Fibonacci's right here to this, right, boom. Look at that. Our entry, we were in a 35 pip drawdown. And look at that. Take profit 2. Smashed. For about 50 pips almost. We went right back to our entry. We didn't create new lower lows. Well, actually, we did. Right here. Could have dragged that down a little bit. If you guys would have wanted to get in on this again, super fucking risky. Don't recommend it. Why? Because this kind of pushed, made new higher highs, creating this one. But since it didn't make new higher highs above our previous super duper higher high up here, I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even have taken this long. Some of you guys probably would have taken that long. And that's crazy. Could have waited to see how our zones were respected and rejected again. Which, for example, this line right here, boom, came, rejected it, and rejected it again. Went right back the fuck down. So we could have used this zone all over again. Right there. And this little zone also. In our confluence to continue going to the downside. And as you can see, we hit take profit 2 all over again. For about 60 pips. Crazy. Now look at this again. Let's highlight the zone. Trend is our friend. This zone right here. Remember, you got to be patient with gold. Keep that in fucking mind. Remember, we got to wait to see how our zones are being reacted, respected, or rejected. Can't just hop up in that bitch. You know what I'm saying? So look at that. Our entry was right here. We went, touched this zone all over again, 40 pip drawdown. Remember, we have 5 points always. On the 1 hour worst case scenario, 10. Maximum, nothing more than that. And that would have to be like a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's like extra shit. And then boom. We could have rolled this thing down to our other little support and resistance line right here. You know what I'm saying? For 100 pips. Literally. Now let's go over here. We started creating, you know, more rejections to the downside. So this was like a little support. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see if we can find some entries in here. Nope, no, nothing. Consolidation like crazy. Consolidation. Now look at this. Now we have some movement. We have market structure being broken to the upside. There you go. Remember, guys, I'm on my Mac. It's kind of hard to trade on this thing. Analyze. Huge spike to the downside. This trade, in my opinion, was not worth it. 20 pip drawdown for a 33 pip take profit. You know what I'm saying? Overall target would have been not even 50 pips. So since our stop loss is 50 pips, 40 to 50 pips, for our final take profit to be 50 pips, that might not be worth it. You know what I'm saying? So whatever, let's keep looking at more examples. That was kind of clean. We have this little zone right here also. Could have ran a Fibonacci right there here. Use our zone and confluence. Take profit for smashed for 50 pips. Look at that. We had another retracement also. Clean that up. Clean that up. Clean that up. If you didn't take that trade, you could have took this one. Oof. Take profit for smash to this other little support and resistance zone right here. For exactly about 96 pips. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy shit. Now, look at this. Some people would have sold here. But look at this. We got a zone right there being rejected. Guess you can call this like a resistance. That was broken. Then retested here, made it a support. So I wouldn't have even sold here. That would have been crazy. Remember, we got to look at the bigger picture always. Let's look at trades that could have happened this week. Okay, okay. We have rejections to the, oh, perfect. Market structure being broken to the downside from this rejection up here. This was our entry. Oh, damn, take profit one barely smashed. Barely. Look at that. 12 pips. Could have got saved on that one. Imagine after take profit one stops to break even. Don't ever forget that. Ever. Consolidation, consolidation, insane consolidation. This week was ass for gold. Very terrible. Look at that. Market structure being broken to the downside right here. We have the zone in confluence like a QP. Could have sold the second that we got it. Boom. 27 pips. Take profit 2 smashed. Could have gone in again after this fat rejection. Take profit 1 smashed. 12 pips. Whole bunch of consolidation. I wouldn't even get involved anymore. Let's see if we have more entries. Look at these rejections. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alrighty. Cool. So over here, that red. Look at that. Insane. Entry. Take profit 2 smash for 32 pips. Insane. Bat rejections here. Use this confluence. Look at that. Market structure being broken to the upside. Oh shit. Highlighter zone. This will be a little bit more advanced, guys, so we're moving a little bit quicker than that. Look at that. Take profit 3 smash. Take profit 4 almost smashed for almost 40 pips. Insane. Broke right under. Came right back down. Take profit 3. Take profit 4. Eventually smashed for 90 pips. This was a risky trade. I will not lie to you guys. That was very risky. Very, very risky. Multiple confluences to the upside. Right here. Highlighter zone. Bam. Gonna take this trade. Take profit 4. Smash for 62 pips. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Rejection. Let's go to 30 minute. The thing about 15-minute Fibonacci's on the gold, very confusing. So remember, if it looks choppy, it looks like it's too much consolidated, we can always go on the 30-minute. You know what I'm saying? Insane. That's so much consolidation. It's crazy. So let's see. We can kind of use this right here. Market structure being broken to the downside. Entry right here. Take profit 4 fucking smashed for, damn, that's a lot. Okay. That's a lot of pips. If I'm not mistaken, that's 230 pips. Okay. Lit. Market structure being broken to the upside right here. Look at that. Take profit 2 smashed. Eventually, take profit 3 smashed for 150 pips. So as you guys can see, the 30-minute does give bigger moves, and it is more clear. Consolidation, consolidation. Consolidation. Oops. Let's do one more example. Market structure being broken to the downside. Risky trade because we do have this little support right here in resistance, reject zone right there. And as you can see, consolidation. We didn't know what the fuck we was gonna do, but of course, Savage method was respected for 220 pips almost. Let's go to the 1 hour. Alrighty. So let's see if we can do something here. Alright, so we have market structure being broken to the upside right here. Came back down. Guess what? Hit our entry and consolidated like shit. Evening star also for literally 2 days. So that would have been disgusting. And as you can see, if you would have hope traded this, you would have been stopped out. Nasty. 100%. That's the penis method right there. Forex Rob penis method. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Damn. More consolidation. Remember, gotta use them in confluence. Like QPs, guys. Take profit 1 smash, 100 pips. Re-entered, respected. Another 100 pips. Till we just plummeted down. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So look at this. We have market structure being broken. To the upside right there. This would be our... Oh fuck, I can't even see this shit. My bad. Alright, cool. So this would have been our entry. So, looks like we did touch it, come back up. I don't know if we did hit take profit 1 for 70 pips, but we ended up coming right back down. Look at that. 10 points would have been our stop. We didn't hit 10 points. We were close as shit before we came right back to our entry. And then again, this did form new lower lows type shit. And if we would have used the bigger picture, look at that. Remember, we're always creating constant new zones. So let's say we would have removed this, been smart, we could have used this instead. Entry. Look at that. Take profit 3 smash. Could have targeted this other little support and resistance zone for 200 pips before we came right back up, as you guys can see. Nasty. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this video. We'll do another one.